experiment. For that, we need water, food color, and 5 tumblers. First, we pour water. Then more. Then here more. Now let's wait. You can see the water rising in through the tissue molecules. This is called capillary action. The root collects all the water in the ground. Then the root stores them up and goes them into the leaves. The water goes up opposite to gravity force. This is called capillary action. Look down. Look here. Some water is coming down. That's because the water is going up and down. It's making a capillary action. It's bringing the water here. Whoa! It's going drop by drop.